Hey guys, and today we're going to be making a fire in this fort. And my cameraman for today is Race Archibald. So me and Lane did a collab, and go check out my channel. It's Race Archibald 6492. Go check that out. Hit me up and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. Help Lane hit 100 too. I will be your cameraman for today. Alright, so let's go in here. Alright, it's a little cramped in here, but it's good. Oh, and by the way, it's made out of just plastic. So, yeah, it's made out of plastic. Okay, so, first, we got some homemade fire starter. Some of these blocks that help. Okay, so we're gonna don't put that on yet. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Okay. We got a small flame. Small flame there, you can see. Oh, it's getting bigger. Okay, it should start. Yeah. Try to get. Alright. So, that's how you get it started. Now, you gotta wait for some of this other stuff to catch. And you gotta be careful not to smother the fire. Looks like that's catching pretty well. Oh, cannot get this thing to catch. Okay. Now that's going. Let's put this on top of it. Okay, so this is how you make a fire. Now you can like lay a steak on top of that or something. And we'll take the camera. So, yep, there it is. Yep, that's how you start a fire. I'm gonna cut it out. This is pretty nice. Now that's kind of going down a little. And that's the end of the video, isn't it, Lane? Yeah, that's how you start a fire. So, yeah, go click subscribe for his channel and my channel. Peace out. Peace out.